Hi, this is Ben with the WiPhone project. The WiPhone is a Wi-Fi only cell phone designed to be easy to hack into electronics projects. Today we're going to be using 2 WiPhones and 2 LoRa radios to send text messages directly from one phone to another using LoRa. That means you don't need any sort of a cell phone connection. This could be useful if you just don't want to pay for cell phone service, or maybe you're away from the cellular networks and you don't have any signal. Okay, let's get started. And you have to start by obviously installing the daughter board. We got a regular back cover here that we've already pulled off, and then we're gonna put the LoRa daughter board on, and then we should be ready to send some messages. Okay, so now we have 2 WiPhones with LoRa, and the first step is going to be grab the addresses. And the easiest way to do that would be go into the settings, go into the tools, and then into development, and then diagnostics. And what we're looking for is this MAC address, because we use the last 6 digits of that for the LoRa address. So we've got 6C4EA0, and we've got A4C6 7C. So now I'll go back and I'll add a contact. So go into the phone book, add, and we're going to give it a name of test. And for the LoRa address, so we're going to enter the address for this phone in here. And then we hit save. And we should now be able to send a message to this other phone. So the first thing we do is we choose the contact, and then the same address we just typed in shows up in the to line, and we're going to type our message, and then we hit send. And then on this other phone, we've got a little message icon here, and we can go back out to the inbox, and there's our message. It says hi. Okay, another method of sending a message, you don't actually have to add a contact if you don't want. You can send it directly to the recipient address, and you can do that by going into the message compose screen, and then in the to address, you'll just write either the 6-digit LoRa address, or you can preface it with the letters LORA and then a semicolon. Similar to if you were going to send a message to a SIP address, you'd write SIP in front of it, SIP semicolon. So we're going to go type all of that out. Now we can compose our message. Send it, and now again we get a little icon showing we got a new message here. We can go in and we've got a new one. There it is. That's it. The tutorial's finished. Hopefully this will help you out if you want to do something like go hiking with your buddies, or just don't want to pay for a cell phone plan. Thanks for watching.